Hello, I'm Louise Thompson.
And I'm Cynthia Marnie, and we're at the Park Hyatt for number 2 of a series of videos we're making that share with you some of the content and the activities that we focus on in our wellbeing workshops. And again, we've got some background noise, and one of the things that we want to do with this workshop is to take away that background noise and give you, with another group of women, an opportunity to have some reflection time and also have conversations with other women and learn from them about some of the challenges that they're facing in their wellbeing. So Louise, what are we going to talk about today?
Well, the key area that I'm most interested in are values. And I'm always curious if people actually know their values. So we actually do this as a pre-work exercise where we get our group of women to complete the online exercise of identifying where they spend most of their time. And it's really interesting with what conversation unfolds, because people are surprised sometimes with what comes in the top 5 values. So the question is, do you know your values and do you know why they're important? You know, for us, we aim to be disciplined and live our life through our values, and it's not easy. So by spending some time on the workshop with us, we really use our values as part of the measurement of how we live and lead our well-being. And I think it's worthwhile spending quite a bit of time together. You can do it yourself, but as a discussion, it's an excellent exercise to hear from other women what their values are.
And I think for me, one of the key things is I know whenever I feel in internal conflict, most often it is when I'm not living according to my values and I'm doing something that isn't aligned to my values. But if I don't even know what those values are, then it's really hard to pinpoint that internal conflict. So it's a really wonderful activity and important activity to do, and we'd love you to join us in one of our programs so that you can get more in touch with your values and therefore improve your well-being.